Hi, I'm Priyal Nagpal. I'm a product designer at Sunstone. In this video, we'll be discussing about wireframing, its benefits, and how user flows are created. So, what is wireframing? Wireframing is essentially creating a blueprint of a building before it's actually made. For example, when we're making an app, we need to identify the user flows. We need to create a proper map of different elements and where they're supposed to be kept so that we're able to understand the importance, the hierarchy, and the proximity of them. It also enables us to identify if it's cost effective or not. It helps to identify the ideal process. For example, when we look at Amazon, we first have to search for an item. Then we have to add the item to our cart. For that, we have to create a button of plus or minus so that we're able to identify if we want to add it multiple times or just once. Then we see if it's added to our cart or not. When we're wireframing this, first we have to make a search box. Then we have to make the item on the home page with a plus or a minus sign so that it's easy for the user to understand if they want to add it multiple times or not. Then we show where the cart is to be placed, and in the cart we have to show how many times it's added. We have to carry the same chain of thought throughout, which is extremely important when it comes to user flows. That is where wireframing comes in place. When a product is at a development stage, it's very difficult to make changes. So that's why wireframing is important. It helps you save time. Also, the cost of the development that will be done after the design is made and if you want to make changes. So it's extremely important when you're wireframing, you test all the flows out and you connect with different teams because collaboration is extremely important. So that's it for this video. In the next video, we will discuss about tools of wireframing and my personal favorite tool to create wireframes.